Good morning. It is the start of week 5, and today we're going for 4 miles. Miles are starting to creep up. And of course, it's a bit chilly this morning. It's alright. I'm actually starting to warm up. Whew. We're into week 5 of training. Feeling okay. Didn't really sleep well last night, so kept tossing and turning for some reason. I did sleep at a decent hour. I'm trying to be a little bit better about my sleep patterns. I'm somewhat of a nocturnal person, so I'm trying to adjust my sleeping habits to maybe sleep a little earlier than I normally would. Just a little. true, it's some kind of congressman style. It's me, I'm the problem, it's me. Come on over, we can make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do. On the beat, keep dancing through the night. Stay up until the morning light, the morning light. Oh, so come on over, we can make it through. Take my hand, I know. Did all right on today's long run. We did roughly a little over 8 miles. I actually tried the singing while running technique. It's actually not too bad. I may just add that technique on my runs on occasion. I read that it actually helps build the diaphragm. So what I'm trying to work on is actually how my breathing and keeping within the, low heart rate zone. I kind of like it. And we just got a little baby bump in our donations for the charity fundraisers, which is great. So we're making some progress. Also, my charity fundraiser isn't just limited to here in the US. If you're international and would like to, donate, you certainly can. As we look up at the stars in the sky, did we ever? And that completes week 5. This past week, we're still on the good weather kick right here in Southern California. I'm really loving the kind of spring, fall type of weather that we have right now. So I'm very appreciative of that. And the long run this week took us all the way up to 8 miles. So we're really starting to get up there past the 10K mark and beyond. So it's gonna get really interesting. I'm still doing all my stretches, my cross training days, which are important to help build muscle and as well as keeping my joints, moving. I did see in the forecast that we're expecting some rain in the next week. I think 2 storms are supposed to be coming during the week. I'm not really fond of running in the rain, but we'll make do with it because it is what it is. We can't argue with Mother Nature, so we'll just have to compromise and, go with the flow. And now for this week's update on my charity fundraiser, we went up just a tiny bit to $470. If you're looking for a great cause to donate to this holiday season, I got you covered right here. So go to the link down here. I'll put it in the description as well as in the pinned comments, and you can check out all the information you need as well as the intro video that I posted a few weeks back. And we'll end week 5 here. Thank you so much for joining me this week. Do come back next week and see how I fare with the incoming rain that's supposed to be here. So that'll be fun. If you're new to the channel, just happen upon this video and feel inspired, do consider subscribing and liking this video, as it does help the channel as well. But also, I have so many training weeks coming up as well as more adventures, so you don't want to miss out on any of it. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. I'll see you all next time. Take care.